I was there right at the beginning, and what we decided was it was incredibly important to ask a duration of Herceptin question. We know with hormones, giving it for longer, adds significant advantages. Was it the same kind of thing? And so I had actually originally suggested doing a 5-year duration Herceptin study, but the consensus was to keep it down to 1 year versus 2 years. And so remember, the formal comparison is 1 year versus 0 and 2 years versus 1 year. The extremely good news out of this is we were all expecting the planned 725 event-driven analysis. We were all expecting this much earlier. So the very good news for women with this disease is it's taken 8 whole years just to reach this number of events. And so this was much anticipated. I think a lot of people felt that these would be very positive results for the 2 years. And I think a number of us were surprised that it's completely flat. So the 2-year results add absolutely nothing. The two curves are almost completely overlapping. It's a hazard ratio of 0.99 for disease-free survival, which is the primary endpoint. And then for overall survival, it's 1.05. So the curves are completely overlapping, so you gain nothing from adding the additional year of Herceptin. The safety results are reasonably comparison. You do pick up a little bit more in terms of the grade 3-4 adverse events. So it goes up from, if I remember correctly, it's about 16.8 to 20.4 for the grade 3-4 adverse events. For the primary cardiac toxicity, there is absolutely no difference. Secondary cardiac toxicity picks up, I think it's from around like 4.2 to 7.3%. So you do get slight increases in both of those. And with that cautionary tale in mind, the fact that you have very slight increases in the toxicity, we strongly recommend that people stick with the 1 year.